The new designed carbonization furnace is mainly for making rice husk charcoal, coconut shell charcoal, peanut shell charcoal, and other biomass charcoal. This is the good feedback of the rice husk carbonization furnace from our African customer. The diameter of the raw material should less than 15 centimeters, and its moisture content should no more than 20%. Rotating speed can be adjusted according to the raw material's moisture content. Before carbonizing the raw materials, we should preheat the furnace body with liquid gas for 1 hour. When the furnace temperature reaches about 480 degrees Celsius, we can put the raw materials inside. The raw materials are rice husks in this video for making charcoal. The workers pour the rice husk into the screw conveyor, which can transport the materials to the furnace at a constant speed. Then the rice husks are carbonized quickly in the rotating process of the carbonization furnace. After about 20 minutes carbonizing, the rice husk charcoal will be discharged by the other 2 screw conveyors. Setting 2 screw conveyors mainly for enhance the cooling effects of the final charcoal. There is a flue gas purification equipment behind the furnace to filter the compressible gas and connect the wood tar and wood vinegar fluid. This full set of rice husk charcoal making machine has high working efficiency and low energy consumption, which can save manpower costs and reduce fuel consumption.